Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating fundamentals, open DXdiag, and confirm DirectX 12 support and the feature level. Update graphics drivers from the vendor to ensure API compatibility and performance fixes. This often resolves crashes. Install Visual C++ runtimes and apply Windows updates so runtime components match the game's binaries. Once done, reboot to finalize driver and system patches. Make sure you have administrative privileges during installs, because files must be registered in system folders for the GPU runtime to function properly. You then configure both the game and GPU settings so the engine uses DirectX 12 efficiently. Open the game's graphics menu or add a command line flag to force DirectX 12. Many engines expose an explicit API toggle. In your GPU control panel, choose Maximum Performance, turn off overlays that inject into the renderer, and set power management to favor performance. Tune render scale and upscaling, DLSS/Fidelity FX, and adjust ray tracing/RT settings to prevent GPU overload. You finish by validating runtime behavior and preparing to troubleshoot if needed. Launch the game and monitor temperatures, utilization, and error messages with a tool like MSI Afterburner. Watch for DXGI or device remove errors. If it fails, roll back or try a clean driver reinstall. Verify game files through the launcher, disable full-screen optimizations, and run the game as administrator. Make sure to gather DXdiag output and game logs so you can provide clear steps and driver versions to support if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.